How to become a Bolt driver? Thinking about earning with Bolt? Here's how to sign up and become a driver. First, go to Bolt website and choose Become a Driver. Fill in your personal details like name, email, phone number, and city. Next, upload the required documents such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, and ID proof. Once submitted, the Bolt team will review your application and contact you when it's approved. After that, download the Bolt Driver app and log in using your new account details to start driving. Make sure your all documents are valid and clearly scanned to speed up the approval process. Ever thought about joining the Bolt as a side hustle? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can become a Bolt driver. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.